Hello and welcome back. I'm B9 Scrambler, and today we're just going to do a quick look at the new Moondrop Aria. So, for all intents and purposes, you can consider this a more budget-friendly Starfield. So this retails for $79 and uses a very similar shell, similar accessories. It's just basically a cheaper version. But anyway, really like the packaging. There's some measurements. I think they did a really good job with the presentation on this one. Okay, I'll get to the earpieces in just a moment. So you get the same case as the Starfield. Nice and compact. Fits pretty well in a pocket. Maybe a little bit thick, but not too bad at all. Your ear tips, your cable. Now the cable has been changed. Instead of the kind of thin light blue braided one that I personally really liked from the Starfield, you now have a braided cloth cable, which I am admittedly kind of on the fence about. It sort of reminds me of a, what's it called? The Hi-Fi Man cables. Now, this is much higher quality. I guess it's more of a chassis cable than Hi-Fi Man cable. This plug is similar to Hi-Fi Man, but that's about it. Let's get some nice braided units. Let's get this zip tie off here. There we go. Okay, so yeah, preformed ear guides with the same extremely compact 2-pin system from their other earphones. Nice little Y-split. Chin cinch, of course. Yeah, like most cloth cables, this one does get a little tangly. Does retain kinks and bends, but it's not too bad. It doesn't transmit quite as much noise. This is one of the better cloth cables I've tried, but if you've been following me for a while, you know I'm not generally a huge fan of them, so I do prefer the Starfield's cable, but as far as cloth cables go, this one's pretty nice. Ear tips are standard Moondrop, so those sort of, I guess, medium bore, single flange, nice soft sticky rubber. And you get 2 sets of each, small, medium, large. So if you lose one, you got some backups. Some additional variety might have been nice. So maybe some bi-flange or foam tips, but I'm not going to complain too much. Good tips, high quality. And moving on to the earphones themselves. Let's take a look. So, CNC aluminum, just like, or with a similar shape to the Starfield. There we go. Oh. It's going to overexpose. I like the new design. Paint job on this one is, it feels like it should be a lot more durable. It's a nice matte finish. Fairly well textured. Let's zoom in here. Let's see if we can get a better look at that. There you go. You've got the same recessed 2-pin port. And in terms of sound, yeah, you can basically consider these a slightly modified Starfield. Bass quality is basically the same. This one here, it's a little bit brighter, a little bit more textured. So if you prefer a warmer, smoother sound, you probably want to stick with the Starfield. Although I think the price difference between the two would probably have you leaning towards the Aria. But anyway, that's what we've got here. I should have a written review out in a little while. Thanks for stopping by.